Yeah, we're over here at the scrap place. And we're going to drop off some metal here. I think it's the stove I have. It probably weighs about 350 pounds. Pretty good sized stove. I mean, it's a heavy ass stove. It is heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Thanks. We're out of here. Now I gotta go dump this thing off. And after we dump it off, then we go get paid. And we'll be done for the day, at least. Better make sure this thing doesn't turn over back there. I think steel is up to $190 a ton here in Wichita. And here's where we got to dump the crap at over here. Just another day of scrapping. Sometimes you can make good money at it, sometimes you can. Depends on how high the price of metal is. Kind of like the stock market. Goes up, goes down. I've seen it as high as 225. They said they've seen it higher than that. I personally haven't seen any higher than 225 a ton, but best to have a trailer if you're going to do this, because a lot of times you can't get that heavy ass stuff up on the truck unless you have some help, or of course unless you have a Tommy lift. My personal favorite is the Tommy lift, but I bought several trucks that had Tommy lifts, and every time you get one, they never work. So, as Forrest Gump said, that's my truck, and that's my boat. Okay, this looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully I'll be able to tip this bastard and we'll be done with it. Okay, here we go. That was easy enough. Did it with one hand. 350-pound stove. All I have to do is pull off and it'll roll off the gate, and we'll be done. Alrighty then. Close this gate up. Now we're done. Head back to the scale and get weighed. Sorry people, I don't have a better camera, but this will have to do till I get a better one. My other camera I had a few years ago got stolen. So. Yeah, it looks like we probably had about 400 pounds. According to that scale, you can't really see it, but that's what I'm thinking.
I got your weight.
Yeah, you got my weight, so we're out of here. I gotta make sure I don't pull off the scale very fast. If I do, the alarm will go off. and inside they get pissed at you. So it's another day at the scrapping facility. Okay, I'm gonna go in there, get collected, get my money, and get out of here.